Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to show you a nice graphical presentation of a fish which is jumping over the water and going to the sky. Let's start the drawing. First, I'm going to draw the tail of the fish. You can see it looks like a V. Then we draw a curved line. Please follow the instructions very carefully. You can see it's like a half circle and you can draw it like this, so you can see the shapes. Then again put a straight line here. All right, and this line is going to run all along to the forward and going to be the mouth of the fish. All right, and we draw a curved line, just looks like this. Let's connect the points and we can draw another line from here. All right, few lines you can see from this point and the line from this point. Let's make the head and the body separate. Okay, the splashing water over the water body, the graphical presentation might look like this, because the fish is jumping over the water, so some water is splashing on the water body. So this is the graphical presentation, and we can put a curved line under it to show the whole water line. Okay, the thing is, when you draw the graphical things, so all the shades and everything, it becomes quite monochromic. So let's put the splashing watercolor, a blue one. So we're going to put the blue tone, and there will be no shading variations for this drawing. This is going to be very elemental, so I'm putting the color in the bottom, you can see. All right, and the splashing waters, those are also water drops, which is filled up with the blue color tone as I'm using here. You can see from the videos. Okay, so the tone, পলিথিনের বস্তা খুঁজা দেখবেন ওই পাশে দেয়। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এক্সট্রা পরিশ্রম। Alright viewers, so you can see the water lines here. This is almost done, so you can see the blue outlines. Now for the top portion, I'm going to put a dark black color for the harder parts of the fish. Okay, this part is darker. This part is also going to be darker. Let's put a purple color. It's just a random color to show the drawing, a really nice one. And for the head, we're using this color too, same tone. The dark and deeper color is going to be here. Alright, so the drawing is done. If you like, you can add a few details. Let's see some racks up to this point. আসতেছি করমু আমার এটা প্রায় শেষ আর 1 মিনিট আছে আমি আসতেছি So you can see that the fairy border, just yeah, nice. It's a nice drawing. And the environment, you can see I'm right here. This is a very nice scenery in front of me. It's all green, my home. Yeah, it's nice. It's afternoon actually, the winter time, so the sunshine, it looks good, feels better. So I hope you like the video. You can follow the playlist to select the which category you want to draw. I have lots of options. I have drawn many videos, many pictures, so you can select easily from the playlist. Follow the playlist. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. After subscription, you can put the bell icon on so that you don't miss the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.